I'm ready. I can see your camera feed now. What would you like me to look at or help you with?
Gemini 3 is a state-of-the-art reasoning model designed for mastering agentic workflows, autonomous coding, and complex multimodal tasks. This quick guide covers Gemini 3 integration with Vision Agents. Vision Agents is an open-source platform for building voice and video AI applications in Python. In this example, we want to build a voice app that uses Gemini 3 as an LLM for vision-related tasks. So the voice agent has the capability to see what is going on in your camera feed and answer any question you ask. To start, you should install Vision Agents and the Gemini plugin. The Gemini plugin is also available on PyP. The demo also requires you to have Gemini API key and API key and secret from Stream. You will find all the links in the description of the video. To run the demo, you should initialize a new Python project with UV, install Vision Agents, and the Gemini plugin. You have noticed here I have added all the following imports. What is missing is the Gemini plugin import. So let's add it. Once you add the Gemini import, what you need to do next is to create a main async function and define your agent. Over here, I have created a new agent using the agent class in Vision Agents with all the following parameters. We add the edge parameter for getting access to the voice and video agent. Next, we add a detailed instructions for the agent to perform its operations accurately. In this example, we have a custom voice pipeline. So the text-to-speech component uses 11 labs and the speech-to-text component uses deepgram. What is missing is the LLM we want to use. So let's add Gemini as the LLM. So over here, all we need to do is to pass the LLM parameter and specify Gemini and the model we want to use. In the Vision Agents Python framework, we have integrated Gemini 3 Pro Preview as the default model. So once you specify Gemini for the LLM parameter, it will use Gemini 3 Pro Preview by default. You can also specify it if you want, or use another version of Gemini 3. When using Gemini 3, we can also customize the model with a set of parameters. For example, we can set the thinking level to low or high. High is the default if you don't specify the thinking level. New in Gemini 3, you also have control over media resolution. So depending on the AI app you want to build with Gemini 3. For example, if you are building an app related to images, you can set the media resolution to low or high. The same with PDFs. With videos, you can also set the media resolution to low or high. Setting the media resolution is also useful for vision-related AI applications. It helps in document understanding and improves OCR results. After adding Gemini 3 as the LLM for the agent's definition, what we need to do next is to create a new video call for the voice agent and also join the call so that when we launch the Python script, we will be able to interact with the voice agent through a web UI. So I'll bring the terminal and run the Python script.
I can describe the people, objects, colors, and scenery in great detail for you. I'm ready. Please go ahead and share your screen or point your camera at what you want me to look at. Once the visual feed is active, I'll describe exactly what I see.
Okay, I'll share my screen and then you tell me what you see.
I see a computer monitor displaying a code editor, which looks like Visual Studio Code. The code is written in Python. It appears you are working on a script